So I got this Ampeg Micro CL, played bass through at band practice for a couple of reasons. It was nice. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room. Basically, you got your two 10-inch speakers, and that's the whole thing, and the amp head's small enough to sit on top. It's a great little system. It sounds good, and I had a lot of luck with it until I blew the speakers on it, because that's what I do. I cranked it too much, and I blew the speakers. So what I ended up doing is replacing them with these Eminence Legend speakers. This grill's easy to get off of here. You just pull the tab and take it off. It's Velcroed on. Pretty nice. I have been a big fan of Eminence speakers for a long time. And anytime I replace my speakers, I generally go with some version or variety of an Eminence speaker. Just a fan. They got the cool looking blue cone on there. Bluish looking cone. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm colorblind. I don't know. But cool thing about these Legends is they're 200 watt speakers at 8 ohms, which is what I got. You can get them all different shapes and sizes. They're great for bass amps. You can use them for keyboard combos. You can even use it for guitar combos. You could use it for lead guitar, rhythm guitar. They can be used as stage monitors, club music systems. They hold up great for me. I've never had a problem with them because I've always trusted Eminence speakers. And anytime I have an issue where I need to replace a speaker in any of my cabinets, and you can look at my other stuff, you'll see that I always put in Eminence speakers. The Eminence BP102 Legend bass speaker, 200 watts. Love it.